Yet another happy handover to Australian company utility air. Let's see those flaps coming out. Oh, just look at that beautiful surface. Looks good to me. Let's go underneath. Let's see what we can see when we're underneath. Okay, 1, two. Oh, good that I'm so small. I fit perfectly under the A40's wing. All right. And it also makes the DA40 comfortable for me, for people my size. This is the low DA40 with the low landing gear. Those Australian students better do nice flares. Though I recommend, and most schools do, take off these gear fairings